The indigenous peoples coexisted with trees, birds, and all of nature. In this second activity, we will be painting an endemic bird of Mindanao, the black and cinnamon fantail. Locally, the Binukid term for this little bird is kiat-kiat, which means malikot, galaw ng galaw, or always moving from one place to another. The reference photo was taken by Celine Morillo, young ASEAN storyteller of the Philippines, during our trip at Sincona Forest Reserve. For this activity, I will quickly show you how to sketch the kiat-kiat. First, divide the bird in basic shapes. Circle for the body, rectangle for the head, triangle for the wings and beak. Then from that, you can now create the outline. Transfer the sketch onto the watercolor paper. For this activity, I have also prepared a downloadable worksheet with the bird's outline. Wet the whole paper using your flat brush and apply it to different parts of the background. Let the colors loose and mix with each other. Then for the bird, apply a thin wash of the dominant color, that is orange or brown. Then let it dry. Apply another layer of colors, this time blending orange, yellow, and brown on the bird's body. While letting it dry, let's paint the bird's head. Apply a darker color. For this, I used indigo, but you can use blue plus the brown color combination to make a darker shade. Let it dry. Next, we can now add the dark outlines. I used Perilyn Violet for the wings outline and indigo for the dark parts under the wings. Add orange and brown for the bird's back. For the shade in the bird's tummy, I added a bit of indigo. Now we can also paint the feet. For the last part, the branch, we will use the dry brush technique. Clean your brush and then pat dry using tissue. Then load it with brown and orange paint on the branch area. Apply other colors like green and blue and other colors in your palette. And now we're done.